Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, we are going to be installing PostgreSQL. And how do we do that? Now, the way we do it, it's just in a very few steps. Now, just come to your Chrome or any browser of your choice, then type Postgre like this. So once you type it, you can see it. Just come to your window installers like this. From your window installer, you can see it's going to bring you to this particular page. Then you say, come to what? Download the installer. Now, once you get to download the installer, you can see we have what? Different versions. You can see it, we have different versions. So it depends on what? It depends on what? On your system bit. You can see this for 32-bit system, 64-bit Mac OS, 32-bit Linux, and 64-bit Linux. So since my system is 34-bit Linux, I just need to what? Download the latest one, exactly. So just click on it. But I've actually what? I've downloaded it before. You can see it. As it have downloaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is what? So once you click on this, your download is going to start. You can see it. So automatically your download, once you click on it, you can see it is going to start now. You can see it. But since I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. So we just have to put it like this so that you can install it. So just double tap it like this from there. So now you can see it. Welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Then you say next. From here, just continue saying next. Now, what do we want to do install? We don't need the stack builder, so we don't need the PostgreSQL server pg admin and command line tools. So I'm going to uncheck this and say next. Yes, just say next. The password. So just type in any password of your choice. So I'm going to be typing my own preferred password now. Then you're going to retype the same password again. So for confirmation, say next. Yes, next. Yes, so default. So just leave it as default. Next. It's going to these are the files it's going to install. Just say next. Setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL. Next, like this. So our installation has started. So I'm going to pause the recording now. Once we are done, I'm going to show you what's next. Exactly. So we are all set now. I finished installing it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to just type finish. I'm done. So you can just come here and type pg admin. Can see it. It's my software, so just open it like that. Now you can see it, so just say okay. Now the next now to do is come to my server like this. So you can see we have Postgre 16. Actually, I have, you can see this the former Postgre. I have this before, so I had to uninstall it. So, but since I did not delete the file, that is why I'm having it. So we are going to be having Postgre 17. Then it depends on the one you install, though. So this is the password. Now just type the password we typed. Don't forget while we were installing our Postgres. So like this, I can save the process so that you're asking me every time. So you type my password again. So database. Now you can create your database from here. So that's how to install Postgres series. Postgres. That's how to install your Postgres. So thanks for watching. We meet in our next class. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and please share to others that might need it. Thank you very much. Bye.